Welcome to Paybooks. In this video, we will see how to create the ESS login for your employees. The first step is to ensure that the email setup is done. You need to update the company mail ID from which the company will receive or send all the official mails. To set up the email ID, click the settings icon on the right-hand side of the home page. Click Configure Rules. Click on Email Setup. Click on Customize Email Configuration. Enter the following details. Like your login name. It will be the email ID from which you would want to communicate with. Password. It is the password used for that email ID. Enter the outgoing server and the SMTP port. If the information is not available, you can check it with your technical team. Update the display name. The display name could be either HR support or payroll support or anything as required by you. Enable the box requires SSL encryption, which is the Internet Security Protocol. Click on Send Test Mail. On clicking Send, you will receive a confirmation that is mail sent successfully. If you require the email notification to be sent from the Paybooks admin ID, then click on Reset to Default. After entering all your information, please click on Save. And your email setup is completed. We will now be looking at creating the login credentials for your employees. Before creating the ESS logins, we need to ensure two important activities are completed. One, the official or the registered email ID of the employee is updated in the employee master. For that, we need to click on Teams, click on Directory, on View or Edit of the selected employee. Here you would need to update the email ID of the employee and click on Save. Under the Official tab, you also need to ensure that the Enable ESS option is checked. Now to create the login, go to Transactions, go to Communication and Collaboration, click on Self-Service Portal, Create Logins. You will be able to see the list of employees for whom the login credentials need to be created. Enter the employee's code or name for whom you wish to create the login credentials. You can check the box for that particular employee and click Create. You can check the box for that particular employee and click Create. Check the box on the top next to Code if you wish to create it for all employees. An email with the login credentials such as the username, temporary password and domain will be sent to the registered email ID. If the employees' names are not appearing in the list, it could be that the logins are already created or the ESS Enable option is not checked in the Employee Master under the Official tab. Thank you for watching the video and have a great day.